See that corrosion? That's probably why why it's having starting issues too, but we gonna see. First things first, do your common sense type of measuring. Basically, make sure this, if you cut it from, let's say right here, you know for a fact, you can cut about an inch or two, and you know it's still gonna fit. You know what I'm saying? That way you can start realizing how much you need, and obviously don't cut it from right here, because then you can't reach. So we're gonna cut it from about right, I'll say right where that line's at, right there where the tape is. That way that gives me enough room to still have enough to put on the lead and go from there. So yeah, let's cut it from right there. So yeah, let's cut it. Once we cut, that's it, no going back. Yep. Before we cut those off, we're gonna make sure we're able to put the lead on. We're gonna be able to make sure we can put the lead on, and make sure everything is all good first. So go ahead and do it like this. Maybe you can put it like that, so that way now I'm able to cut it even more if I wanted to. Like, you know what I'm saying, I could cut it from right here. So I don't know, let's see. Let's put it right there for now. But let's go ahead and see if I wanna. Yeah, I'm gonna probably end up moving the lead like this. That way it's not bending. It's not bending all crazy and stuff. So go ahead and use your cutter, the orange cutter. Get right there. Pull that off. Kind of see what it looks like. And then after that, better yet, you can probably take this off and actually put it in like that. Like, that way you're mobile with it. And then you can mess around with it. Yeah, let's do that. See, now you're mobile with it because it's not connected. So, but now you know for a fact. You can probably now cut these off and add those. So we went ahead and spliced those. And where we got we're gonna add it right here. Boom. With those, you know what? I'm gonna put some electrical tape on there. That way it stays together. Yeah, that way that stays together. That way it won't go nowhere while the car is driving, moving, and all that. That way you can like see what's going on with it. Come on, focus, baby. Kind of like see if, because obviously before we cut it there was green, so maybe we just saved it before that corrosion got all up in the wires and stuff. And also this is a 12 gauge, so you get you one of these little red or yellow crimpers, cut it with the 12. This is 12 gauge right here. And then like I said, we just gonna lift this up, lift that up, add this big old wire, then add this wire. Let's get it. It's not pretty, but it's definitely in there though. At the end of the day, after a while you just gotta upgrade, you know what I'm saying, and just get you some new stuff. So yeah, this is what it is. I wanted to make it the same, you know what I mean, like I wanted both of these to be facing the same direction. If I never need to get to it, I got access. So yeah.